How to build a scalable business. If you are looking to take your startup business to the next level, growth is important, but it's scaling that really matters. A growing business is one with revenue and costs that grow at a similar rate. A scalable business increases its profits but also lower its costs. In simple terms, scaling is about delivering more for less. If you are new here, welcome to my consulting channel. I'm Michael Tadros, the professor. I have a diversified experience for many years working as a consultant for startup businesses and entrepreneurs, as well as working as a project manager for Agile, Scrum, Lean, and conventional projects. Now, if you're ready to know some ways to scale your new startup business, let's get to it. Number 1. Have a strong business plan. Planning for scalability early on your business journey is a wise move. Starting with your business plan will clearly let you understand how you are going to scale. A plan is essential for keeping you on track and ensuring you meet your objectives. Investors will expect to see evidence that you understand how future growth will be achieved if you seek funding. You need to understand everything about your business, including sales, marketing, cash flow, and people. You should have detailed sales forecasts, a marketing plan, and team structure details for now and the future. You can check the video here if you want to know how to create a business plan for your startup business. Number 2. Automate processes. Efficient processes are crucial to scalability. Systems should be streamlined and routine business tasks simplified. As your business grows, look to automate with time-saving and flexible technology. For example, using spreadsheets to manage customers can be unwieldy. On the other hand, customer relationship management, the CRM software, will help you store and organize data so you can track interactions, monitor buying habits, and send targeted marketing messages. Other technologies that can help your business scale include accounting software, payroll systems, project management tools, collaboration apps, and social media management services. Number 3. Focus on marketing. For your business to succeed, you need as many people as possible to know about it. While word of mouth will deliver customers, it's not the best way to achieve significant growth. Formulate a strategic plan to reach a broad audience. Your marketing should communicate how you stand out from your competitors and why your value resonates with your customers. Focus on marketing methods with the best return on investment and test with a small budget. Social media and email marketing are worth investigating. Investing in advertising that targets your exact customer base could also be part of your plan. Number 4. Encourage customer loyalty. To scale, encourage deep loyalty from customers who love your business. Developing this starts with your team. Ensure they understand and embrace your business values and purpose. That enthusiasm will then translate to customers. Customers need to be valued, so look at how you can provide exceptional customer service. Every interaction by customers with your business should be as problem-free as possible. From how easy your website is to how you answer telephone queries, your customer service must exceed expectations. If problems arise, respond quickly and clearly with solutions. Don't leave complaints festering on social media. You can seek feedback and use positive responses such as testimonials. Encouraging user-generated content on social media that you then serve back to your community can be much more powerful than a sales message you crafted yourself. Number 5. Hire the right people. Scale-ups need great people behind them, so think strategically when it comes to recruitment. You may be tempted to fill roles with family and friends, but that does not necessarily help scale a business. You need to stay lean, so hire employees only when absolutely necessary. Take on staff with the knowledge and expertise to achieve the scales you want. Look for people with multiple skills and a capacity for lots of great ideas. Your team needs to share your values, have the right attitude, and understand your objectives. The culture you set at the start can have a significant impact on your company's growth. Number 6. Outsource to experts. While you should keep core skills in-house, outsourcing other costly and time-consuming tasks can be hugely beneficial. Trying to do everything yourself can slow you down. Consider handing over areas such as accounting, web development, and search engine optimization to external experts. This allows your business to expand without the need to invest in new staff, premises, and equipment. It can also help reduce overheads, increase profits, and help your business to scale. Number 7. Getting investment. Many startups bootstrap by self-financing or using money from family or friends, but to scale, you may need to take on funding. Your options might include debt, such as startup loan or a bank loan, equity from angel investors and venture capitalists, crowdfunding with reward or equity, grant funding from the government, and other sources. Most governments have useful guide to source of business funding. If someone invests in your business, sometimes referred to as angel or venture capitalist investors, you will have to give up some control of your business in exchange of their investment, as well as funding. You will also benefit from the investor's expertise and contacts, which could help your business scale quickly. Number 8. Build a network. The best entrepreneurs do not do it on their own. They cultivate a network of useful contacts and advisors to help them scale. You can attend regular networking events to meet people who can be useful to your business. Joining trade associations and business groups can help you learn new skills and meet fellow entrepreneurs to share ideas, solve challenges, and form collaborations. A business growth consultant will be useful, and seeking out a mentor is recommended. You can also track down entrepreneurs who have successfully scaled the business in your sector and ask if they are willing to mentor you. A mentor is not there to run your business for you, but with years of experience, he will be aware of the pitfalls and help you avoid them. They can also provide valuable contacts which you may struggle to find yourself. Now, I believe you have a good idea on how to build a scalable business. You can watch here in my channel more videos about how to start a business and strategies for your growth. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave your feedback or comments below. I will be more than happy to reply and assist you. Don't forget to press subscribe, like, and share this video with others to obtain the knowledge that you have been able to attain. I look forward to talking to you at my next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.